Captain Badrug is an orc freebooter of the Badmoons clan. Some saying he is the greatest captain who ever lived. This ugly war boss been shining medals on his coat, stolen from the Umis he duffs from boarded cruisers. His mouth split into a gnarly grin forever, cause it's crammed full of teeth. Badrug stole a bunch of gold from the Palace of Undying Light, melting it down to platinum so his smile is always sparkling. His gold tooth armor, likewise shiny if you can see past the blood spatters, his so-called Jolly Orc ensigns say he's well garg at a scrap, as that gold which plates his panoply is taken from other freebooter captains. Weighed down by his lead-lined overcoat, which protects him from the radiation made from his shooter, the Ripper. Also, why is there so many knobs using Ripper in their stuff? Anyways, this shooter, taken from an Umi planet knob, shoots plasma instead of slugs. So if you get shot by the Ripper, you'll get poisoned by the radiation, even if you get away. Knowing the Ripper will probably explode one day and take his life, Badrug doesn't care much, as his chopper, boss pole, and stick bombs delay such an event, with his 3 Gretchens called the Power Grots carrying his ammo. His kill cruiser, called the Black Tooth, legendary among all the clan's histories. It's anyone's guess how much Naz he had before he got kicked out of the Badmoons clan for having too much. Goring a Norn Queen scrapping with a tendril of Eye Fleet Kraken as part of Warlord Garagag's fleet. During the War of Daka, Badrug once outgunned a bunch of blue grots and even smashed a tin free blade using just a hair squig and a drunken snotling. Some saying he even killed a Welgarg void whale to grow his reputation. I've even heard some shady git is paying Badrug to scrap with the wolf beakies within the Sanctus reach. Allying with the Mech Lord to raid the world of Hephaestus in order to steal some of them STD templates the Umis always want to grab. Badrug betrayed the Mech Lord, escaping with his loot before he got gored. Mega cunning and proper morky, anyone who wants to guarantee victory of their war pays Badrug massive amounts of teeth to help with their planning. The big mech Mogrog the Mangler giving him a bunch of tech to help his Daka on Alaric Prime. His men burying their teeth on barren worlds so it's not nicked by their rivals. Other tribes offering Welgarg shooters so they don't get snicked by Badrug or his flash kits and love when they get to see him Daka. Always threatening misery if anyone attempts to take the biggest pile of loot when the scrap is done. No one's stupid enough to get revenge against Badrug, cause they know they'll be the next one gored if they try.